again, and you will see that another function we have. So whatever you want to do, any kind of method which you want to define with this structure, you can do here with the help of impl keyword. So you see that what is impl, we have understand how to define the structure method, we have understand. Now we are going to learn traits here, then we are going to understand the difference between these, then we are going to implement the interfaces method also. For that I created traits first, so I say trait, and in this trait I say my message like this, and here I define the method here, so I say function that is get my message. For example, like this I am going to use. Remember that this is like an interface, so I am defining a traits like an interface that my message, and in this I have this function. This function I am going to use. So I want to attach this function with this structure itself. So how I can do this? I say impl, remember, then I say my message for message, remember that here. So I am using this here, this traits like an interface. Now it's showing an error that you have to implement the method which we have defined there. So here I have to use the function, I say get, and we need to implement this, otherwise it will show error. So here again I am going to display the same message. So here I can say self, remember, and here I can also pass self like this, and here I am passing this, here I am passing this same message, I am displaying the message by traits, remember. So like this, and I need to call it, so I can call this also. So I say message dot, I say get my message, same, but it is by using traits. Once again I execute it, and you see that we also have this, but now we have used the traits. So this traits like a interface can be attached with any structure. If I have another structure of another name, so just I replace the name of the structure, same method I can override under that structure also, remember that. But in case of this impl here, so I can define methods only under this structure message, but by using traits I define the method generally for any kind of a structure, and I can attach it with this using a for keyword and override all these methods under this. So same you see, with one structure I can access all kind of methods. So that is all about traits. So traits is like a interfaces, and the difference between impl and traits is by using impl we specify method especially for specific structure, but by using traits we define a methods like an interface for all kind of structures.